Fundamental of database and database design. Before we move on to database and database design, we need to know about what is data. Data can be defined as a representation of facts, concepts, instruction in a formalized manner, which should be suitable for communication, interpretation, processing by human or electronic machines. Other than this, data is a set of discrete objective facts about events. It provides no judgment or interpretation, gives no sustainable basis for action. Data cannot tell you what to do. Data says nothing about its own importance or irrelevance. Now, let's move on to what is information. Many people think data and information are similar, but it's not the case. Data is different from information. If the data is organized, classified, presented to make them meaningful or useful value for a receiver, then it's called as information. Processed data is called as information. Informations are useful for decision making, not data. For the decision to be meaningful, the data must be qualified for the following characteristics, such as timely. The information should be available in a timely manner. Then accuracy. Accuracy in the sense information should be accurate enough for decision making. Then completeness. Completeness means the information should be complete, which means there should not be any detail that should be missed. Then now we are going to see some example for data and information for further explanation. Let's see. Data. If in the world we are recording the temperature of each country in each day as a history. So the history of data of temperature for over the world for the past 100 years is data. If that data is organized, analyzed and find the average temperature or the mean of temperature and found out whether the temperature is rising or reducing in the world, then it's an information. So, let's move on to data processing cycle. There are 3 steps as regular in information technology: input, process and output. I will explain it with an example. Let's say if we have the details of employees like hours they worked, rent, payment for each hours and other bonus and all the other details, it's an input. If we process that details and calculated the paychecks for each employee, then it's a process. It can be done manually or used computers. Then the output is the paychecks for each employee. This is the process which used to convert an data into an information. Now let's move on to what is database. A collection of related data. Collection of end user data and the metadata. End user data are the actual data stored in database, and the metadata are the data about data which used to identify and find end user data. It's like a dictionary for the end user data. That's all for today's video, and the next video we are going to look the database management system.